Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. This watch is on loan from MW Timepieces. Actually, I don't even know what it looks like, so we'll discover that together here. I might actually pause the video to finish the rest of this unboxing here, or the rest of the opening of this package, I should say. Yeah, let me pause it, and I'll be right back. Well, I guess that didn't actually take too long anyway, but oh well. Let's get this out of here. And more boxes. Don't really want to damage the box. There we go. Man, it's quite the packaging here. Another box within a box. Oh, cool. Okay, so it's a prototype model. Just some information here stating that looks like they have a new logo. Very minor changes for some testing here. So black, blue, teal, and white. I believe this is white, is what it said on the package here. Oh, nice looking box here too. Cool wood box. Hopefully I remember how all this goes back together. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, I guess. It's like a metal warranty card, maybe? Or maybe it's just a website. A placard, I guess. Alright, very cool. Set that over there. Bezel action feels nice. Looks like a sapphire insert. Sorry about that. Let me zoom in here. Looks like a sapphire bezel insert. Wow, I was gonna say the sun, but the light almost reflects across here all at the same time. So, wow. The crystal in that bezel are on the exact same plane. It almost feels like it's one continuous piece here, surface, but it's not quite. There's a little tiny gap in there. That's really cool. Combination of brushed and polished surfaces, drilled lugs, display case back. Okay, so it has these lines on the display case back, and then there's kind of a similar pattern there with the bezel insert. There is a date down there at 6 o'clock, but it looks pretty good. It kind of blends in. I mean, it's black, white on black, but it still kind of fits the theme of the watch. You know, I prefer no date, but this is not bad at all. Let me give this a shake and see if we get the second hand moving. There we go. Let's line that bezel back up. Legatodiver. Oh, that's interesting. So it's not a screw down case back, but it's held in with 4 screws in the, well, not the corners, but 90 degrees from each other in the 4 quadrants, I guess. All right, you know what, let's see if these quick release. Yeah, you know, I'll throw it on this strap real quick. Then we'll close out the video. If these are quick release or not. Bracelet is quick release as well, but I have to size and everything. So let's just put it on the leather strap. I used to wear a bracelet most of the time, so let's see if I put this on the right way. I'm meaning the buckle at 12. Come on. There we go. It clicked. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I know it's a leather on a diver, but I like how it looks. Designed in Indonesia. So I'm assuming it's probably made in China, but that's fine. Micro brand watches most commonly are. Nice taper to this leather strap. Looks like I'm on the last hole here on the strap, so it's gonna be a little loose on my 6.5-inch wrist. Pull it through there. That's good enough for now. Yeah, maybe not. It's gonna bother me. Let me move this box. There we go. Yeah, it's a cool looking watch. I really like how that crystal in the sapphire bezel insert are really on the almost the exact same plane. Very nice touch. All right, we'll zoom out here. You'll catch some of the packaging in the background. Yeah, I think it's a good fit for my wrist. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll be posting the full video here soon. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. That will conclude this video. Talk to you guys soon.